Hi guys, Cindy A. Lewis here, and we are going to be working on some Easter DIYs, simple and easy. And even if you don't have everything that I have, you can, change it up or tweak it a little bit to make it work for you. And this is just something so that we can have some festive time this week leading up to Easter. You can decorate your home, you can decorate your table, make a new tablescape, whatever you want to do with it. You know what? You've seen some of my other things that I've done recently. Let me just show you. So I did this cute little chalkboard that's adorable and it can sit on the table. I've got this little Easter basket with little lamb just sticking his head out, and it's covered with burlap and a few little flowers. Then I stuffed it with flowers inside. Have my beehive that I created from the Dollar Tree. And so just all kinds of stuff that you can actually pull together, repurpose, reuse. Okay, for this DIY, we're gonna make a real pretty Happy Easter sign with a piece of barnwood that I have on hand. This is just an old piece that actually came from Hobby Lobby in a 4-pack. I'm using the Happy Easter from the Dollar Tree. This decor is 3 pieces. These are the silver aluminum decor pieces that they've been carrying. But I went ahead and painted mine white. You can see I went ahead and painted all 3, so I'll probably do something with blessings as well. But in this one, we're going to be using the Happy Easter. And then we're going to be using these cute little felt bunnies that were at the Dollar Tree with the pom-pom tail. They're already made, and they are a garland, and you get 8. And then I need something to hang those from the board with. This is just burlap ribbon that I have on hand, and I cut it in half. And so I'm going to use this to hang my little bunnies from the board and then make a hanger for the back. We may want to stabilize it with a staple gun with staples. So this one is 28 inches long, and this is about 6.5 inches. So I want it in the middle here. If we come in 4 inches here, then it's right there. So if we come in 4 inches, so I have 2 carrots left over from my other my little pots that I created, and so I think I could put those in the middle, and then I can hang my bunnies. Now I'm gonna do 4 bunnies. And these bunnies are on a garland ribbon, so we can reuse this ribbon too. Okay, so what do you think? I think if we put the ribbon behind the bunnies, you won't notice the little holes. We could color that in if we felt like we needed it. The bow is adorable. However, you wouldn't have a bow on the back of a bunny's head, right? You just have that. So now you can make your own bunnies. I'm going to show you real quick. We're going to use this in another project as a pattern. But you can get bunny patterns off the internet for nothing. You can get them and use them as patterns, and you can cut out your own bunnies. All right. I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm just going to put the ribbon behind the bunny. So tip, when you're taking the garland out, watch for the little piece of the bunny that may still be connected and just push it back in. Look, this little blue piece belongs to this bunny over here. So I'm going to save it and put it in his little hole so it will be there. Okay, so with this garland, I got 4 darker colors, the more brights, and 4 pastels, along with all this ribbon that can be used, right? All right, so I'm going to set that aside. I don't really need it. Got my chalk, my handy chalk. Now, you can see that I just still had the little punched out piece for that bunny. I think it's gonna work. Oh, look, see, that one's got that one there. So if you look at them, the little piece they punched out may still be attached, and then you can, your holes will be full. Now you have to decide which you're going for. Is it the more bright colors or is it the pastels? You pick. You could do 2 of each, however you want to do. I'm only going to use 4 bunnies. I think 4 bunnies spaced out will look really cute. Okay, so I have Happy Easter glued down. Now I'm going to take my carrots and decide how I want them to be. I kind of want them to be a little bit close, but not, you know, like same angle. So I'm just going to glue them down too. And I like to set them where I want them before if you've seen some of my projects, I like to kind of set it out and see where it's going to be. This is adorable, guys. So adorable. All right, so if you have any extra glue, just rub it off. If you don't want it bright white, you can take some sandpaper and that paint will come off pretty easily. Okay, so we mark the front, right? So where your markings are, just pull them down on the bottom so that you can see them. Can you see? That'll help you. That'll help me since I didn't do it. All right, now I can see them. Now I've got it laying here. Let me show you. So I measured about 7 inches on half of my cut ribbon, my burlap. I'm going to put about that much on the bunny here and then hang it, you know, starting here. Okay, so I've applied the staples back here to hold these and give them a little more stability. And I also put on my hanger. This is just some of that nautical rope from the Dollar Tree that I had left over from another project. So I just pushed that in about 3.5 inches on each side and made a hanger. All right, use what you have. Okay, this is the back side of the piece of wood. I put staples in for each of the burlap ribbon pieces and a piece of nautical rope that I had from the Dollar Tree to make a hanger. I just stapled them with my husband's staple gun. I'm ready to glue on my bunnies. Okay, here we go, guys. Here it is. It is so cute. You know, that's kind of my thing. So cute. Anyway, you could take each bunny and put the initials of your kids on there or whatever. You can add more to the board if you want to. This DIY is just one of my favorites. So anyway, this is a Happy Spring DIY. Hope you enjoyed it.